Welcome to Mobile Pro. Today, I'd like to introduce the Mobile Pro Workshop Program. Whether you're already signed up or you're looking to see what's on offer, in this video, we'll explain the benefits of working with mobile. This program has been created for independent workshops like yours to show how to access exclusive benefits like signage, promotions, and merchandise. You'll also get regular, insightful training videos hosted by charismatic characters like me that take you under the bonnet of engine oil and explain the complex range of products out there. Mobil 1 is the world's leading synthetic engine oil. It's the choice of motorsport teams like Toyota and Porsche in the World Endurance Championship, as well as Toyota Gazoo Racing in rallying and Oracle Red Bull Racing in Formula 1. What Mobil learn on the track makes its way over to the road, where it's been the factory fill engine oil for every Porsche that's left the line since 1996. That's well over 4 million Porsches. It's a premium brand that you'll be proud to put on display in your workshops, like I do. Level up your workshop with cool stuff for the walls, like posters and signage. Branding your workshop with Mobil 1 gives your customers extra reassurance when they're looking for someone to trust with their precious cars. Let's talk merch. We've got more Mobil stuff than I can carry. We've got things like bags, cups, umbrellas, torches, and even caps, t-shirts and jackets. Sure, you could keep them for yourself, or you could use them to build loyalty with your customers. If I see a kid's seat in the car, I like to surprise them with this little fella. We have filmed a series of these training videos on a range of topics. We've explained the Mobil product range, OEM approvals, performance benefits, and a history lesson on Mobil. And there's much more to come, from oil drain intervals, working with fleet vehicles, and avoiding costly mistakes. Mobil's digital tools are another benefit. Don't forget the Mobil Product Selector, where you enter the car's details or registration number to get the correct Mobil oil recommendation. And if you were to check my browser history, you'd see I'm always using it. When you sign up, you get this starter pack. Wow. I'm proud to have Mobil front and center in my workshop. So sign up and join us today.